Spirit a move, but the spirit a work, you have to make it work. Right? See General there? Yeah man, see there, you know the thing already. You work with the signs at the time. Yeah man. Yeah, so we just go with one vibe. And then we check it back. I don't know a whole heap of artists there and you know the thing already. Big up all that celebrity them in that place. You understand? Oh you mean? What are they? Yeah man. Yeah, so big up all the people who travel from near and far. You understand what I say? And we have the kitchen around here, so we have various activities taking place. We have vegan provision. You understand? Rastafari provision. I don't know, we have the regular thing them, so you can check out the kitchen. Because nothing I'm missing. You see me I say? Yeah man. I know the bar right there, so just go hold a drink. If I eat my water, if you don't drink any alcohol, okay? Mr. Jamaica, there you come.
Just believe, still have life, we got what we need. We never follow them and still take the lead. We never decrease the speed till we reach out because we extra. Man on this man, like we want destiny, we don't need now.
It's 12 o'clock on the dot, right over it's round here, so bless up the place to follow. I spell Uzman! Emperor Selassie, I did!
Yeah, tonight is still in. Exavier in this game. Yes, 12 o'clock and 12 o'clock is the 9 hour we are celebrating the 9 nights of determined zeal. So we give thanks to life and we say there's a time and place for everything. Bless up all the musicians and the players of instruments. So we say earth, wind, water, fire. But you have to remember, say soul, mind, and heart. And the soul shall never die. Soul live to eternity. The flesh will perish, but the soul live forever. So I'm bless up Paula, I'm bless up Broco, and the whole family, because determined live within the you them. And we just want to celebrate his life, his works, and we ask the Most High to just continue to bless up all I and I, because we have to carry on the works. We have to carry on the legacy. We have to carry on the music. And it's no strange thing what's happening Black History Month and Reggae Month, that we can always remember it from year to year, everlasting. See? So, as I said, midnight is a very significant time. We have to remember the 9 hour, which is an hour prayer. And we have to balance it, you know. We have to balance everything, see? So once the best we have a whole, we manifest those do like amen. Bless up each and every one that is here tonight. Guide each and every one safely as they drive home to their different place of abode. We ask of you to bless the kitchen, bless the bar, bless the herbs, bless each and everything that is here. Bless us that we can continue to fulfill and carry out the Most High work. Because Jah have to go through and we have to go through. So bless up each and every one. And as we say, determine in spirit live on, because the spirit shall never die. The flesh have to perish. We're born, we grow, we get old, and we have to go back to the dust. But the spirit within man shall live forever. So let us continue to celebrate his life, celebrate his works, and just fulfill the mission, which is to carry out the works of the Most High. Jamaica, Jamaica is a special place. Jamaican people are special people, and if you're just coming to the island, welcome to Jamaica. It's not just what you see, but you have to remember things that is above what we see, and we have to live it. Select a play good music, give thanks to the works.
Independent people in the present time, you know what I'm saying? Some people acknowledge it while we're alive. And that's why you see me, may I keep my 9 before me dead.
Plop. Yo, Rumkus and your brother them and your sister them and your mother and everything, condolence. When they hear that song, it must mean something to your brother. You see me I say? Because you remember your father God, you know, when you're there. You see me I say? So Rumkus, big up your brother and your sister, your neighbor, your niece them, and the whole of your family, your mother. You see me I say? Because you see when that song I play, it have to mean something to your youth. You see me I say? Because right now they're strong guy, you know, can't get weak, never. You see me I say? So play that song there again.
People, yeah, I'm in the house. Popcaan, I'm glad to bring you back. Hey, what you want to know? Is it determined make me still alive now. Because you see that word determined, if you want to live life, you have to full of consistency. And consistency comes from the word determined. If I wasn't determined, I wouldn't be alive today. Because when I have diabetes, people want to listen. I got diagnosed with diabetes at the age of 28. And diabetes kill off most of the artists that you see die. It's diabetes killing. Because diabetes comes in a thing called high blood pressure, poor circulation, numbing and cramping of the foot and hand, lungs cancer, and you have nerves in the body, Popcaan, it named the vagus nerves. Most doctors don't know about it.
The vagus nerves, it controls all nerves, the optic nerves, the sciatic nerves, and all nerves, and it controls all the organs. So right now, yes, Baldy, me hear you. But Popcaan, remember now, you're determined. That's why I'm here, to make you know that we have to stay alive. Determined. Big up the youth again. I remember 884 when Popcaan said DJ that song. Right, Popcaan? Alright, Popcaan. So the Popcaan song this enough. Yeah. Hey. What was again? Yeah. You know what? Hey. Okay, now it's against the law. We don't dance like that anymore. Yeah. If you can do the tatty dance, step aside and give Snapper a chance. Popcaan, tatty, yeah. Tatty, yeah. But out of that Popcaan, you see her song? Determined. If you love that song now, pull it and we'll do something now. That dancer may come with now, determined this is Snagger, do that dancer. It named the basketball dance. The basketball dance. Popcaan love it too. What am I on the dance section? Let me show them the dance. Catch it. He goes, shoot to the hoop. I think he's small, not slow. Shoot to the hoop. Make sure you feed up your veggie and fruit. Shoot to the hoop. Make sure you drink up your bitters and roots. Some people love determined.
Hey, Gypsy, but my eyes I never did. Protect me on the battlefield. Someone who knows how to feel. Them want to see me baby. But my eyes I never did. I'm up down. Protect me on the battlefield. Someone who knows how to feel.